I'm building a course. I've uploaded a lot of files. There's some that I would like to delete. So I click Edit and delete my file. At this point, I realize that was the wrong file. What do? Do I contact support to recover? No, you can just wait 60 seconds. After you've waited 60 seconds, click the cog icon, which is your course settings, and go down. You should see Recycle Bin. If you do not see Recycle Bin, refresh your screen. If you still do not see the Recycle Bin, wait a few more seconds, try again. It does take a full 60 seconds for the Recycle Bin to show up, but once it does, click it. And now you can, as long as it's within 7 days, you can restore the item. I have now restored the item. I go back to the course, and there is my PDF. That is how to recover an accidentally deleted item.